Hey guys, this is your girl Cassie. Welcome back to my cooking channel, Cassie's Creole Cuisine Fusion. So today I just want to share with you one of my favorite mocktail for this summer. So, mocktail recipe. So it's delicious, it's fast to make. You guys gonna love it. So to start with, I just want to show you guys the ingredients that I'm using. So I already pour my apple juice. Sorry, I say apple juice, pineapple juice here. Okay, so I have ice in here, and then I have my this is lime juice. It's a fresh squeeze lime juice, and I have ginger beer, uh, mango juice I'm using, and really this is it. So let's get started, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and use my shaker, but my shaker is small, therefore I bring this pitcher here. I'm gonna use it just so I can mix the juices here. And for the measurement, I'll go ahead and put them below for you, and I will try to tell you what they are also as we go. I mean the measurement. Um, so basically this is the apple juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it. You see it's already too much. So I just pour 3/4 cup of this pineapple juice here. And guys, just so you know, make sure when you are getting your juice, make sure they are pure juice, really, um, really that will make a difference, basically. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my lime juice. So this is 1/4 cup of the lime juice, right? I'm gonna go ahead and use my mango juice. I will use half a cup. Okay, where's half a cup here? Okay, I think I said half right here. It's for measurement purposes. Um, like I told you guys, just because my pitcher is small, and you need that to be really cold, just because it's hot out. So I'm just gonna mix everything in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and also take my ginger beer. I'm gonna use 1 cup of the ginger beer in here. And really, I'm just gonna add a little ice, basically, for the pitcher here. I mean, for my shaker here. If it wasn't too small, so I would have to take all of it and shake. Voila. So I'm making a little mess. It's okay. Didn't close correctly. Shake. And basically, you guys, this is it, really. But you just have to make sure everything is well balanced in here. Like I said, because the shaker is too small, usually it will have to be in the shaker. And then you will have to have your ice, and basically voila, this is your mocktail. I'm gonna mix it again, and guess what you guys can do as well. Well, that's if you like, because mocktail you don't need any alcohol, but if you are like me, I like a little more bubble, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a bit of champagne in mine. But you do not have to do that. Like I said, this is just me. So I'm gonna use this scoop um, just to have my mocktail in here. And of course I'm gonna be a bit fancy, so I'm gonna add some flowers on top. And basically the other things that I'm missing, really, you could use some wedges, like pineapple wedges, and also you could use mango wedges to garnish. but I don't have either or, so this is it for me. It's so delicious. I'm gonna try. So delicious, really. Oh, you guys, you just have to try this. And yeah, I think this is it. Really, this is, well, I know I didn't tell you guys the name, so this is a tropical sparkling mocktail, right? So cheers. I would like to thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe, share with your friends. I will see you guys next time. Bye.